Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic compatibility and software versions. This matters because mic protocols differ between devices. Next, physically inspect the connector and cord. Lint or corrosion often blocks contact. Then plug the earphones into a known working phone or laptop. If the mic works there, the problem is likely the original device. Once done, power cycle your phone and disable Bluetooth to force a wired connection, making sure the phone recognizes the headset input. Now you dive into Settings. Open Sound/Input or App Permissions and explicitly select the headset mic. Mobile apps often need permission toggled. If your phone routes audio via Bluetooth, disable Bluetooth so the wired mic is chosen. Update the operating system and the app that uses the mic, then reinstall the app if needed, because corrupted app data can nullify microphone access. Once these changes are applied, test with voice memos or a recording app to confirm the mic registers. If software didn't fix it, focus on hardware. Clean the port gently with compressed air and a soft brush, never insert metal. Try a certified adapter or a different Lightning/USB-C cable. The inline mic module can fail independently. If you still have no mic, back up your phone and perform a factory reset as a last resort because system corruption can break audio routing. If the problem persists after reset, take the earphones and device to a service center. One reliable troubleshooting tip: try another headset to confirm which side is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.